Hey guys, so a little question and answer. There's been some debate in the comments section and on the Facebook page if this truck is designed to run on 89 octane. Everyone says no, every Ram 5.7 is designed to run on 87. Well, you're probably referencing outdated documentation, and here's the owner's manual for the truck. And you can see that the 5.7 liter gas engine says do not use more than 85. It also says the engine is designed for 89 octane. This engine is designed to meet all emissions and regulations, provide satisfactory fuel economy and performance when using high-quality unleaded gasoline, having an octane range of 87 to 89. The use of 89 plus is recommended for optimal performance and fuel economy. So everyone that says, oh, you won't get any better performance with 89 thinks they're smarter than the engineers that wrote the owner's manual. This engine is 10.5 to 1 compression ratio, and that's where you get into the range that you need a little higher octane to get maximum performance and efficiency, because the engine can make use of that extra octane by adjusting its tune to be more aggressive, a little higher, more aggressive timing. You run a little leaner, it can be more efficient, and efficiency means burning less fuel and putting out more power generally. So you guys are wrong. Documentation in the owner's manual. Read your owner's manual. Now, there are some cars that are designed to run on 87 octane with really high compression ratios. Like the RAV4 Hybrid, for instance, has a 14 to 1 compression ratio, and it can run on regular gas. That's because it uses a CVT, so it's holding constant RPMs, and that's also because it's not putting out very much power, right? Its tune is nothing for efficiency, it's everything for efficiency, nothing about power. If you want a really good video on how efficiency and power and everything relates to octane, I'm going to drop a link to the Engineering Explained video because he does a much better job than I can. And yeah, watch it and get educated and stop running your mouth if you don't know what you're talking about. There's nothing more obnoxious than a confidently wrong person. All right, that's all I got. Oh, by the way, I got this rim fixed. I just, took the old hammer to it, hammer jammer, and it's been holding air for 6 hours at 15 PSI, so I think it's not gonna leak. Didn't even bother fixing the front one because it's not leaking, but I could take the hammer to that as well and get that a little straighter. So YXZ is back in action. Yes, sir.